If I were a boy, even just for one day, I'd roll out of bed in the morning and throw on what I want and then go drink beers with the guys and chase after girls. I'd kick it with who I wanted and to never get confronted for it, 'cause it's sick of with me. If I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man. I'm missing too hard, 'cause I know how it hurts when you lose someone you wanted, 'cause you're taking love for granted and everything you had got destroyed. If I were a boy, I would turn off my phone, tell everyone it's broken, screaming that I was sleeping alone. Though you know it's wrong, baby, I think that's the worst. I make the rules as I go, 'cause I know that you've been faithful, waiting for me to come home, to come home, to come home. It's a little too late for you to come back. Say it's just a mistake. Think I can keep you like that? If you thought I was ready for you, you thought wrong. But you're just a boy. Ooh, if I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a bad man. You would listen to love, and you won't care how it hurts. I'm telling you, lose what you wanted, 'cause you're taking love for granted. Everything you had got destroyed. But you're just a boy. That's it. That's it.